Okay. Let's talk about how unbelievably tired I am right now. Let's talk about the circumstances that we're in and why we got to this point where I'm sitting here talking to my camera. I went out last night. I did, and it was fun. Did random people come up to me and think that they could practically molest me on the dance floor? Yes. Were there cute people out last night? A few. Did I come home extremely late at the point where I only had like 4 hours of sleep until my first class? Maybe. Was I having a dream that I was introducing myself to a hot ass blonde guy with amazing bone structure from a different country whose name I couldn't pronounce? Was that person German? I think so. Did I not get to dance with him? Did I not get to get to know the guy? No. And you wanna know why? Because I got fucking woken up by a goddamn alarm. A fire alarm. Are you... Are, are you freaking kidding? The fuck? Are you kidding? I'm so pissed. I'm so pissed. Has anybody else been woken up by a fire alarm before? Peace out.